if you want to be benefited, then you must take the shelter of Mahajana, great personalities. Mahajana jena gata sapanthya. If you perplex that who is Mahajan, how can I find him? That is also explained in the Shastra. Mahajan, Dadas Mahajan, Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kapila, Kumara, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhishma, Bali, Vaiyasaki, Vayam. So where is the difficulty? Mahajana jena gata sapanthya. You follow the path of Mahajan, Prahlad Maharaj, Janak Maharaj, Bhishma. There are grihasthas, there are brahmacharis, sannyasi. Lord Brahma is Mahajan, he is grihastha. Sambhu, Narada is brahmachari. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Lord Shiva, he is also grihastha. Prahlad Maharaj is also grihastha. It doesn't matter whether you are grihastha, sannyasi or brahmachari. You must become actual representative of Krishna. That is Mahajan. And that is also not very difficult. How you can become representative of Krishna? That is explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Amar aggaye guru haiya taro yai desh. Jare dako tare kaha Krishna. If you simply speak what Krishna says, then you become his representative. Don't manufacture. Don't be over-prudent, manufacturing. Simply to follow Krishna and his representative. Then you become Mahajan. Otherwise you are nonsense. Mudha. Namang duskitinam mudha prapaddante narad. That is the test. One should be very, very careful to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never said that I am directly servant of Krishna. No. Gopi bhattu padakamalyo dasa 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 dasanu dasa. Servant of the servant of the servant of the... The more you become servant of the servant, you are perfect. And as soon as you declare independence, you are rascal. This is the process. We should always remain most obedient servant of my master. Jasya devi parabhakti, jatha devi tatha guru. Tasyaite katita jhatya pakashante mahatmana. Then it will reveal. The whole thing is revelation. It is not by experience, by scholarship. No. Revelation. Jijathamang prapaddante. One who has surrendered proportionately, God reveals. Jijathamang prapaddante. Tang tathaiva bhajami. So, there is no difficulty to understand what is God. Here is Krishna, the Supreme Lord. Directly. I do not know why people are searching after God. Why they do not know what is God. Just see. That means mura. Although God is here, still he will not accept. That is mura. Naradhava. And why is mura? Because naradhava. He does not take the process. He wants to manufacture something. So don't do that. Here, Arjuna is Mahajan. He is Krishna's friend. He is always with Krishna. And Krishna recognizes him. Not that because one is always with Krishna, therefore he knows Krishna. No, that is not possible. Just like I have given this example many times, that I am sitting here and the bug is also sitting here. That does not mean we are very confidential. No, bug is different business and my business is different. And bug's business is biting. That kind of association will not help. Association means to develop love for the person. That is association. Dadati pratiginnati gujjamakhati prichhati cha mungti bhojayati chaiva sarabhira priti lakshana. So, we have to become associate of Krishna as Arjuna becomes. Always with Krishna. Eating with Krishna, sitting with Krishna, talking with Krishna, joking with Krishna, fighting with Krishna, everything Krishna. That is what. Not a single moment. Therefore Krishna certifies Bhaktosi, Priyosi me. My dear Arjuna, you are very dear to me. Naturally, if Arjuna is always with Krishna, sitting with Krishna, talking with Krishna, consulting with Krishna, joking with Krishna, eating with Krishna, so why he should not be very dear? Krishna, does he remain with anyone unless he is very dear? So bhaktosi, priyosi, sakhate. So we have to establish some relation with Krishna as servant, as a friend, as a son, or as a father and mother, or like the gopis, madhuryaras, friends. That is also conjugal love. Krishna is ready to associate with you in any way you like. Somebody likes Krishna as friend, somebody likes Krishna as husband, somebody likes Krishna as Paramat. But Krishna is ready. Somebody likes Krishna as son. So anyway, Krishna is ready. We have got these 5 relations in this material world. There is no other relation, and there are other relationships also. Krishna also ready to accept. If you want Krishna as enemy, yes, Krishna is ready. He will kill you. But that is also good for you. If you want to fight with Krishna, yes, Krishna is ready. Everything. Akhila rasamrita sindhu. He can associate with you in any rasa, humor you like. Krishna is ready. Ready means that is natural. Because we are part and parcel of Krishna. So, the part and parcel must remain with Krishna. So you have to remain with Krishna in some relationship. Here our relationship is through this external energy Maya. The relationship is there. Although we have tried to give up our relationship with Krishna, but Krishna has not given up. Krishna is always with him. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddhese arjuna tishtati. He is within your heart. Why? Just to give you association. Now you are rebelled. You want to do something independently. Krishna also has.